Let's shift our attention now to another big story of the day. And this is very, very significant because there has been a lot of protests, including in the parliament as well. Even yesterday, you saw the opposition leaders protesting for the very same issue, which is the special intensive revision in Bihar. So 25th of July is the last date to actually submit the enumeration forms to the voter revision in Bihar. With just 3 days left for the deadline, the Election Commission has in fact flagged significant changes in the electoral roll. And the data here is very, very important that has come in from the Election Commission. The ECI has in fact discovered that as many as 18 lakh registered voters have passed away, 26 lakh have shifted to other constituencies, and 7 lakh are duplicate voters. Now, according to the Election Commission, as many as 97.30% voters have already filed the enumeration form so far. There are still days to go. Just less than 3% of the voters are left so far. Functionaries, in fact, have said that 12 political parties have been given the list of the electors, and they will know why these names will not be included in the draft roll as well. The parties have, in fact, been asked to also connect with such voters so that they can also approach the poll authorities in the state for the inclusion of their names in the draft rolls, which means that if a legitimate voter's name has been left out of the entire list, then he can always approach the parties. The political parties can also intervene and approach the Election Commission. The final roll, remember, will be published on the 30th of September after the due claims and objection process to ensure that no eligible citizen is excluded and no ineligible one is actually included in the voter roll. So this is the entire process of the Election Commission. This exercise, of course, has been echoing from Bihar to Delhi as well, where the parliament has been rocked by the protest by the opposition. It has led to the washout of proceedings in both the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha on the second day of the monsoon session. In fact, even on day 3, which is today, a protest is planned at the Makar Dwar.
तो बाई इलेक्शन एक उदाहरण है जहां इलेक्शन कमीशन ये सब घटनाएं देखता रहा, कोई कार्रवाई किसी पे नहीं की गई। और बिहार जैसे इतना बड़ा स्टेट जहां फ्लड आना है, जहां गरीबी है, लोग बहुत शिक्षित नहीं है, कई बार अपने कागज रख करके भूल जाते हैं। आप दोबारा सब कागज मंगवाना चाहते हैं, दोबारा पूरी वोटर लिस्ट बनाने की एक्सरसाइज करना चाहते हो। आज़ादी के बाद किसी स्टेट में ऐसा नहीं हुआ होगा। और फिर बीजेपी के लोगों के पास पता नहीं कौन सी मशीन है, वोटर आईडी तुरंत बना लेते 5 मिनट में, और वोटर आईडी के साथ साथ आधार भी 5 मिनट में बताते बूथ पर।
When democracy is under peril, what are they up to? I mean, for winning elections, they will go to any extent. It's something which we want to all unconstitutional means, and they use all the commissions as their puppets. But what SIR in Bihar, that is totally unacceptable. How can they do something like that? They try with the intention of avoiding a major segment from the voter list. It is being done. So it is our duty that we protest. We don't want that to happen. See, if it is happening in they'll do in Bihar, they'll do in other states, they'll do across India.
ये जो सर को लेकर पूरा विरोध हो रहा है, इस पर मुझे कुछ बुनियादी सवाल करना है। भारत के संविधान और चुनाव के कानून के मुताबिक वोट कौन कर सकता है? जो भारत का नागरिक है। तो इसकी अगर थोड़ी जांच होती है तो इसमें परेशानी क्या है? मैं बिहार से आता हूं, वहां का सांसद हूं। बिहार के अररिया, किशनगंज, पूर्णिया में 125% आधार कार्ड बन गया है पॉपुलेशन से अधिक। तो क्या देखने का काम नहीं है क्या? चुनाव आयोग ने कहा है कि बहुत लोग बाहर के हैं। भारत कोई धर्मशाला नहीं है। ये जब ड्राफ्ट होगा तो आपको अपील करने का अधिकार है कलेक्टर के यहाँ। वो अगर नहीं सुनेंगे तो आप जाइए चुनाव आयोग में मुख्य निर्वाची अधिकारी के यहाँ, तो इतने अपील का फोरम है। तो ये पहले ही हाय तौबा क्यों मची हुई है? हाय तौबा इसीलिए मची हुई है कि बांग्लादेश और घुसपैठियों की बिना पर जो राजनीति करते हैं वो घबराए हुए हैं।
In fact, in the Bihar Assembly as well, the opposition MLAs turned up dressed in black as a mark of protest and created ruckus over the issue by storming the well, trying to upturn the furniture and also jostling with the marshals. It remains to be seen if any work actually gets done on day 3 of the parliament session as well as the Bihar Assembly session.
ये बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी में हम लोग जो बात करते हैं और सबने कहा कि ये प्लकार्ड लेकर के सदन में नहीं आएंगे, फिर ये अपने एमपीओ को ये पोस्टर बैनर लेकर के सदन को इस तरीके से डिस्टर्ब करना, ये तो